Welcome to the journey to knowledge.
Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to discuss about exponents and its form of writing. And in exponents we are just discussing the laws or properties of exponents too. First we'll see what are exponents. See this number 100. 100 we know that we can write it as 10 into 10. And same way, if I am taking 1000, it can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. So here 10 into 10, that is 100 is nothing but multiplying 10 two times. So we can write it as 10 raised to 2. And same way 1000 we can write it as 10 raised to 3. Both this form 10 raised to 2 and 10 raised to 3. This form is called exponential form. Here 10 is called the base and 3 is called the exponent or power. And read as 10 raised to the power 3. Now we'll see some specific laws of exponents. First one, multiplying powers with same base. So we'll take 2 power 3 into 2 power 4. So 2 power 3 is nothing but multiplying 2 3 times and 2 power 4 is multiplying 2 4 times. So here total 7 2's are coming. So we can write it as 2 power 7. That is 2 power 3 plus 4. Same way we will do one more question. Minus 3 power 3 into minus 3 power 2. So minus 3 power 3 is multiplying minus 3 3 times and minus 3 power 2 is multiplying minus 3 2 times. So total it is minus 3 power 5. That is minus 3 power 3 plus 2. So we can take the property like this. A power m into a power n. That is here the base are same but powers are different. Then we can write it as a power m plus n. Second property is dividing powers with same base. As like multiplication, here we are going to divide with two numbers which have same base but different powers. So 2 power 6 divided by 2 power 4. So 2 power 6 is nothing but multiplying 2 6 times divided by 4 times 2. So we can cancel 1 2, 1 more, 1 more and 1 more. And the balance numbers will be 2 into 2. That is 2 power 2, which is written as 2 power 6 minus 4. So we can say the property as a power m divided by a power n will be equal to a power m minus n. Third property, taking power of a power. So here 2 power 3 all power 2 is given. So all power 2 first we will do, that is 2 power 3 into 2 power 3, multiplying 2 power 3 2 times. Now 2 power 3 will be multiplying 2 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So all together it is 2 power 6. That is 2 power 3 into 2. So the property is like this. A power m all power n is equal to a power m into n. Fourth one, multiplying powers with same exponents. That is, here the base are different but the powers are same. We will see 2 power 3 into 3 power 3. So 2 power 3 is multiplying 2 3 times and 3 power 3 is multiplying 3 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That we can just interchange the places and write that is 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, which is 6 into 6 into 6. That is 6 power 3. So here the bases are getting multiplied, 2 into 3 power 3. So the property is like this: a power m into b power m will be equal to a into b power m. Fifth one, dividing powers with same exponents. Here we are taking 5 power 3 by 7 power 3. So we can write it as 5 into 5 into 5 by 7 into 7 into 7. If we write it separately, we can write it as 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7, which is equal to 5 by 7 all power 3. So we can write the property like this: a power m by b power m will be equal to a by b all power m. Now we'll go through some special properties. Sixth one, a power 1 is equal to a itself. Multiplying any number to the power 1 will be same number. 8 power 1 is nothing but multiplying 8 one time, that is 8 itself, and 100 power 1 will be 100 power 1 itself. Seventh one, any number to the power 0 or a power 0 will be equal to 1. Let us see how it is 1. Here I am taking 5 power 3 by 5 power 3. That is 5 into 5 into 5 by 5 into 5 into 5. So same number by same number, we know that it is 1. Cancelling each 5, the answer will be 1. Now using exponential property, 5 power 3 by 5 power 3, we can write it as 5 power 3 minus 3. So same number minus same number will get 0, which is equal to 5 power 0. By this way, we can say that 5 power 0 is equal to 1. And for any number, if it is 100, 100 power 0 is equal to 1. So any number to the power 0 equal to 1. Next property, if the base is a negative number and the power is an odd number, that is minus a power odd will be equal to minus of a power odd. Explain you with an example. So here minus 8 power 3 is taken. So minus 8 we can write it separately as minus 1 into 8. So we can write it as minus 1 cube into 8 cube. Minus 1 cube will be minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 and into 8 cube. So minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1 and again plus 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1 itself. So it will be minus 1 into 8 power 3, which is minus 8 power 3. And if the base is negative and the power is an even number, minus a power even number will be a power even number itself. That is, the final answer will be a positive number. Here minus 8 power 4 is taken. So we can write it as minus 1 power 4 into minus 8 power 4. So minus 1 power 4 will be minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 and into 8 power 4. So minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1. Again minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1. So whole total it will become a plus 1. So plus 1 into 8 power 4 will be equal to 8 power 4. So the final answer will be a positive number. Now we'll just go through all the properties once again. First one, a power m into a power n. Base are same and powers are different. So a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Same way, second one, a power m by a power n will be equal to a power m minus n. Third property, a power m all power n is equal to a power m into n. Fourth one, a power m into b power m. Base are different and powers are same. So, will be equal to a into b power m. And same way in division, fifth one, a power m by b power m can be written as a by b all power m. Sixth one is any number to the power 1. A power 1 will be equal to a. And seventh one, any number to the power 0. A power 0 will be equal to 1. And eighth one, if the number is negative, minus of a power odd number will be equal to minus a power odd. And finally, minus a power even number will be equal to a power even number. That is, the final answer will be positive. Hope you got all the properties. Thank you. Have a nice day.